Hello, good morning dear students. Today we are in fifth chapter, that is comparison of angles. The main objective of this chapter is to compare the angles. So students, at the end of this chapter we will be able to compare the angles. So what does comparison of angles mean? विद्यार्थीहरू, कम्पेरिजन अफ एङ्गल्स भनेको एङ्गलहरूको तुलना गर्नु। यहाँ तुलनाको मतलब हुन्छ कुन एङ्गल सानो कुन एङ्गल ठुलो। So students, in this chapter we will learn whether how to compare the angles. If there are two angles, which one is smaller, which one is bigger. How to identify whether which one is smaller or which one is bigger. So students, we will focus on that particular topic today. Here I have written one note for you. So students, let's see. The comparison of angles is done by the amount of turn or rotation of two arms. So students, comparison of angle is always done by the amount of turn or rotation of two arms. So विद्यार्थीहरू, हामीले कुनै पनि दुईवटा एङ्गललाई तुलना गर्नु छ, कुन ठुलो कुन सानो भनेर थाहा पाउनु छ भने हामीले सबैभन्दा पहिला के बुझ्नुपर्छ भने एङ्गलले बनाएको दुईवटा आर्म्सको बीचमा कति टर्न अथवा कति रोटेसन छ अथवा कति ग्यापिङ छ। जति धेरै एमाउन्ट अफ रोटेसन हुन्छ त्यति नै एङ्गल ठुलो हुन्छ र जति एमाउन्ट अफ टर्न अथवा रोटेसन कम हुन्छ त्यति नै एङ्गल सानो हुन्छ। सो स्टुडेन्ट्स, वान थिङ यु नीड टु रिमेम्बर हियर, more the amount of turn, it means the angle is greater. Lesser the amount of turn, it means the angle is smaller. So विद्यार्थीहरू, amount of turn, दुईवटा आर्म्स बीचको ग्याप जति ठुलो हुन्छ त्यति नै एङ्गल ठुलो हुन्छ र दुईवटा आर्म्स बीचको ग्याप जति कम हुन्छ त्यति नै कम हुन्छ, त्यति नै एङ्गल सानो हुन्छ। So students, here I would like to show you one example. Here I have some pencils. Here with the help of two pencils I have made an angle. I have another two pencils. I will make another angle. So students, if someone asks you among these two angles which one is greater, so it is very easy to identify whether which one is greater. As I have already told you, while comparing the angles we see the amount of turn between two arms. So students, if you see in this angle the two arms are, this one is one arm, another arm is this, there are two arms. So how much is the amount of turn or rotation between these two arms? So students, this very portion is the amount of rotation. Amount of turn अथवा amount of rotation भनेको यो भाग हो स्टुडेन्ट्स। र स्टुडेन्ट्स, हामीले यो एङ्गलमा हेर्छौँ भने एमाउन्ट अफ टर्न बिट्विन टु आर्म्स, यो एउटा आर्म्स हो, अनदर आर्म्स इज दिस। सो हामीले एमाउन्ट अफ टर्न हेर्छौँ भने यो स्टुडेन्ट्स, दिस इज एमाउन्ट अफ टर्न here and this is amount of turn here. So students, now we can see that the amount of turn is greater in this angle. विद्यार्थी हामीले हेर्न सक्छौँ amount of turn अथवा रोटेसन यो एङ्गलमा बढी छ इन कम्पेरिजन टु दिस एङ्गल। यो एङ्गलमा भन्दा यो एङ्गलमा एमाउन्ट अफ टर्न बढी भएको हुनाले स्टुडेन्ट्स ग्याप दुईवटा आर्म्सको बिचको ग्याप यसमा बढी भएको हुनाले यो एङ्गल ठुलो छ स्टुडेन्ट्स। दिस एङ्गल इज ग्रेटर देन दिस एङ्गल as because the amount of turn or rotation is more in this angle. So students, now let's do some questions based on this topic. Now your question is, measure the following angles and decide the greatest angle. So students, here you are provided with two angles. One is your angle ABC and another is your angle PQR. So now students, your task is to measure these angles and you have to decide whether which one is greater. सो विद्यार्थीहरू हजुरहरूलाई क्वेसनले एङ्गल्सहरूलाई नापेर कुन एङ्गल ठुलो छ भन्ने कुरा पत्ता लगाउनु छ। सो स्टुडेन्ट्स, लेट्स मेजर दिस टु एङ्गल। सो नाउ आई वुड लाइक टु मेजर एङ्गल ABC फर्स्ट। एज आई हेभ अलरेडी टोल्ड यु हाउ टु मेजर द एङ्गल। वाइल मेजरिङ द एङ्गल, आवर सेन्टर अफ द प्रोटेक्टर सुड बी अन vertex, and then the baseline of the protector must lie on BC. Like this. So students, now as I have already told you, as our BC arms is lying on just right side towards the center of the protector or towards the vertex. So therefore we will count from this 0. So विद्यार्थीहरू अहिले हामी हेर्न सक्छौँ BC तर्फ यो 0 परेको हुनाले हामीले यो 0 बाट काउन्ट गर्छौँ। So let's count. This is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. So students, we can see this angle measures 110 degree. This is 110 degree. Angle ABC is equal to 110 degree. Now students, let's measure another angle, that is PQR. So students, as you can see, once again towards QR this 0 lies. So therefore we will count from this 0. So students, हामीले हेर्न सक्छौँ हाम्रो जुन बेस आर्म छ, बेस आर्मको तर्फ यो 0 परेको हुनाले हामीले यो 0 बाट काउन्टिङ सुरु गर्छौँ। 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So students, we can see PQ arms is lying at 70. यो जुन आर्म्स छ PQ आर्म्स त्यो 70 मा परेको हुनाले स्टुडेन्ट्स द मेजर अफ एंगल PQR इज 70 degree. Angle PQR is 70 degree. So students, now we can see angle ABC is 110 degree, angle PQR is 70 degree. So therefore, now we can say, therefore angle ABC is greater. वान हन्ड्रेड टेन र 70 डिग्रीमा 110 ठुलो भएको हुनाले एङ्गल एबिसी एङ्गल पिक्युआर भन्दा ठुलो छ स्टुडेन्ट्स. सो देयरफोर आई हेभ रिटन हियर एङ्गल एबिसी इज ग्रेटर. Now students, let's move towards question number 2. There are two angles given. One is your angle XYZ, whereas another is your angle STU. Now let's measure the angle. So students, as you can see, angle XYZ is 60 degree, as YZ arms lies towards right. Therefore I have counted from the 0 which lies towards right. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 to 60. You can see XY arms is lying exactly at 60 degree. So therefore angle XYZ is 60 degree. Now students, let's measure angle STU. Now to measure angle STU, once again I need to keep vertex at T and this base line at TU. Now students, as I have told you already, now you can see this TU arms is lying towards left of the vertex. TU भन्ने आर्म्स सेन्टरदेखि लेफ्ट तर्फ रहेको हुनाले हामीले लेफ्टको 0 बाट काउन्टिङ गर्छौं स्टुडेन्ट्स. यु क्यान सी TU को तर्फ परेको 0 भनेको अहिले यो हो. त्यसैले हामी यो 0 बाट काउन्टिङ गर्छौं. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So students, as you can see, ST arm is exactly lying at 50 degree. So therefore the measure of angle STU is 50 degree. Angle STU is equal to 50 degree. So students, now we can say that between 60 degree and 50 degree, obviously 60 degree is greater. So therefore we can say that angle XYZ is greater. Angle XYZ is greater. So students, this much for today. Hope you have understood very well. Now in the next class we will study about kinds of angles. So till then, take care. Thank you so much.